Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here at the big field. Got the Turbot out here. The Radiolink D460. First open field flight. So let's get this little guy up in the air. See how it flies. Still got the Butterfingers. Still got the protective coating on the top that protects the little detailing on the canopy, that is. But let's get it in the air. I think the grass is a little wet, but we don't have wheels on this guy, so, and we have to drop it down. This little plane has to level. It has to level correctly. And it's not even a flat surface. Hopefully it's not too bad. Let's try to get it lined up to go in there. I only bought one prop out, so didn't bring any spare props, so hopefully we don't have any mishaps. Everything seems to be a go. Let's take it in here. Very touchy. I was hardly giving any throttle. Let's try a roll. Whoa, it rolls fast. Let's see if we can slow it down. How does it slow down? The Ultrix slows down really nice. This reminds me of that. Actually looks like a manta ray. Let's see how it glides. That's zero throttle there. Oh, it glides really nice. Let's look at it again. Zero throttle there. I'm liking the way it glides. See how it turns? It turns nice. Okay, so we can get some slow flight going with it. Let me bring it in close. So it can be docile, as you can see here. Flying it really slow. Man, that's slow. It is touchy though. I'm thinking this is going to be the first plane probably that I'm going to put some expo on there, because I haven't done that yet to any of my planes that I fly with this boxer here. Rolls pretty fast, so I can just roll it and then put it back into self-level mode. I'm liking it. I don't know if this is one of those planes that I feel comfortable with flying in manual mode yet. I'm gonna try though. We're gonna take it up. Okay, we're manual now. Oh, I got a little nervous. It seems to want to dive. When I put it in manual mode, it wants to dive. So let me see. I'm gonna put it in manual mode now. We're in manual. I have to give it a little up elevator. It's in manual mode still. Do it have ups? Yes, it can climb up, do loops and all. I'm kind of losing control, but got it back. Still in manual mode. Let's see if I can do a turn here. Okay. Roll, yeah, loop. Another roll. Okay, we're out of manual mode. It flies nice. I'm not the best manual pilot out here, but I guess that should be enough for you. It gives me a little, it wants to descend though. As soon as I put it in manual mode, it starts flying down, descending, and I have to give it a little bit of elevator, but it's not hard to keep it in the air though. I'm slowing it down real good. Check it out. Moving it down and around. Okay, I don't know how long this thing is going to fly. It has telemetry. In the telemetry, I have it plugged in, but I don't think my transmitter is going to let me know or anything. I'm not sure how to set that up really. Zero throttle here. Full throttle now. It does loops no problem because it has a lot of power. 2S power here. Let's come out of manual mode. Okay, so I'm happy with the way this thing is flying. It's flying awesome. I love it. Nice glide capabilities on it. You can slow it down a lot and it won't it don't have a tendency to stall when you're slowing it down. Look how slow I'm flying it right now. Barely any throttle at all. I'm probably at maybe 15-20% throttle. Wow. I'm loving it. Check it out. Okay, let's bring it in for a soft landing. The Radiolink D460 Turbot. Awesome deal. It's on sale. It's a steal if you ask me, on Amazon for 70 bucks. And I think it's 85.40 something. So you're getting it for under 90 bucks if you're going to go for the ready to fly version of this. But really awesome little plane right here. Looks like a manta ray. The Turbot from Radiolink. Thanks for watching.